afternoon. I am here to talk about the Boeing 787 innovation on an old invention. The Boeing 787 is Boeing's newest aircraft, and the reason why I'm here to discuss that is not only because of its new technology, but I've had a long passion for aircrafts that started from when I was a small child. My dad was an aircraft technician, and he used to always take me to work. And one particular time that comes to mind is that we went to a Christmas show at the hangar, and Santa Claus taxied in on a 787. Not, not on the 787, I'm sorry, on a 727. Now, I said to myself that, okay, I feel that I could do this too, so I pursued my goals, went through all the proper channels, and became an aircraft technician. That I've been doing this now for 19 years. The 787 will offer innovation from previous aircrafts, but the main purpose of it is to have a fuel-efficient, quality product. And what they offer is now, for the first time, Boeing has an all-composite body, which is built in barrel sections. The composite material is very strong. It's industry-leading technology and has been proven to stand the test of time. Composite material is not a new technology, but for the first time, it's been used in all different sections of the aircraft. The entire aircraft is built out of this technology. Now, you might be saying, well, how come they built another aircraft as opposed to improving an older aircraft? Now, what this aircraft does, it'll have better engines, it'll be more fuel efficient, and have noise reducing capabilities. The Boeing 787 will have two engine types, the General Electric GE/NX and the Trent 1000s. Now, for the first time, this aircraft will have interchangeable engines, meaning that you can use both engines on the same aircraft. No other aircraft has this technology. Airbus Industries doesn't offer this. Embraer doesn't offer this. This is a benefit not only to Boeing Corporation, but it's also a benefit to the airlines that have chosen to fly the 787. 787 was built with the passenger and the company in mind. It has larger windows so the passengers can see the horizon. That's where the name Dreamliner comes into effect. And it won't use the contemporary window shades. It'll have a reflective technology in the windows where as the sun comes into the aircraft, it dims the lighting of the sun so that passengers can look out of the aircraft as well. I feel that the 787 is a great aircraft. It offers many benefits to the environment and will comply with all noise reduction aspects. The main goal of Boeing is to produce a quality product and to remain competitive with all the other aircraft manufacturers out in the industry. Airbus Industries has expressed many concerns about the all-composite body of the aircraft, but Boeing has reinforced that this is nothing new, and they have researched every aspect and every possible damage that can happen to the aircraft with crack detection devices that can look for structural damage on the aircraft, and this will be offered to all the airlines so that they can remain to keep safety standards at the highest priority. The 787 so far has had the largest orders in the history of all aircraft manufacturers, and They have had a good track record as far as producing aircrafts overall and just remaining competitive without failure. I'll give you an example. The 787 initially started out as a 7E7, but Boeing decided to go with the 787 to follow up with its previous aircrafts, the 747, the 777, and now they have changed the name to the 787 Dreamliner to make sure that they remain consistent with their old trends and still bringing new technology to the airline industry and commercial industry. Their short-term goals are to constantly produce a quality product, and their long-term goals is to have a freight version of the aircraft where it can carry freight and have a longer range, as well as have safety standards of any existing aircraft in the industry. If you would like to get more information about the 787, you can refer to Boeing.com, and more information will be provided to you at Boeing.com. I'd like to take the time out to thank you for listening to me today, and I appreciate your patience and company. Get home safe and have a good day.